Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Well, we haven't been here in a while. I was checking my videos and I realized I've not done a makeup tutorial in about 7 months. That's too long. And since we're having all kinds of videos every day, I thought let's do a makeup tutorial. And let me do the makeup tutorial that I wear to work. What is work? Doing my YouTube videos. So here we have a primer and it is Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. So I'm gonna put some on right now. Always use a primer. For me, I feel that it is absolutely the best. My foundation really sits well and I just put it down my neck as well. I have the monitor right here, so I'm just looking to make sure that I'm doing it right. And maybe I should bring another mirror here. Hold on. There we go. A mirror here, out of focus, but I can see. I live and love. Well, this is good. So I can look here too. Okay. What do we have? Juvia's Place. Highly recommended for Donald Trump because that orange has got to go. A lot of you say, Fumi, did you not notice he's called the orange man in America? I did not notice. I did not notice. I mean, really, how many times do you really look at a man's face? I really did not. So I love this foundation. Absolutely fantastic. And this is 0.5. Okay? Juvia's Place. Live and love this. It is literally an exact match. And just put that all over. And then this is by Refi. I love it. Stippling brush. And I blend all of that in. You have to get it down to the neck. See? There you go. Donald, are you watching? If you are tanning, a lot of you told me that he goes to the tanning salon. It's so ridiculous. Why? Why? Anyway, who cares? Juvia's Place again. I live for Juvia's Place. A lot of you were asking me, Fumi, what happened to your discount code? We no longer have discount codes for everybody. So this is almost finished. I live and love it. And this is the Sokoto. This is called Sokoto and it's almost finished. That's why I am digging into it. I know I shouldn't, but I love it so much and I haven't had time to buy another one. So I like to really finish my product. And then just a little bit here, a little bit here. Pat and bring it all the way out. And then outside of my brow, just pat. For my setting powder, Live and Love, one size, absolutely fantastic. So what I do now is that I just put it at the palm of my hand and then I just gently tap in. There you go. And that works for me. I realize also oily skin, getting older, being in my 50s, I don't like cake makeup. I really like it really light. And so my powder is not too light, not too extreme, and I just dab right over. Okay, there you go. And it just gives me a very nice finish. I go in with my Morphe palette, used it forever. I use the dark and I just dab between these two dark colors. You can see it's already hit pan, and I just dab right around, and that just warms up my face. Okay, it doesn't have to be too extreme. It's a day face. It absolutely is. Then I go into the nose contour and I bring it right into the crease of my eye. That's it. And I just love it. Absolutely love it. Very super simple. This is one of the best ever Revolution for my brows, and I love it because it has that, you know, pencil wispy look, so I can just do my brows like so. There you go. Easy peas. I go back in with Morphe and I use this as my crease, and I really just chocolate it in there, and I just go in circular motions, and that just works for me. This is it for me for the eyes. I really go in. Sometimes I bring it down if I want it to be a little more dramatic or if I'm going out, but basically this is it. I will give a little wing. I use Juvia's. Juvia's absolutely fantastic. Their pen, oh my god. And I just do a little wing. It's one of the blackest, most precise liners out there. And I think because it's black owned, they know how to make it really pop. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Some blusher. Love it. It's Pat McGrath, and this was a limited edition, and Pat McGrath times Bridgerton. That was what it was. And this right here, like a deep plum, is absolutely fabulous. Live and love it. A little bit there, a little bit on the cheek loops. There you go. I smile a little bit just to get the rosiness of it. Do a little bit at the bottom, and then my beautiful, gorgeous Eloise Beauty, the highlighters of all highlighters. I just put a little bit onto my palm, and then I dab, and this just is so gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. I just tap and just put right there, and this just elevates it. It just makes it so peachy. It's one of the most natural highlighters ever. And this is by Eloise Beauty, discount code Fumi. Highlighter brush. I just bring it in and just look. Really peachy. And there you go. Really what? Really peachy. Okay. Mascara. And this is Bad Girl Bang Mascara by, what is this again? Benefit. Yes. Bad Girl Bang Mascara. And then I do a little bit with the brush onto my brows, and they stay like this all day. Love it. I use the Eloise and I just go underneath my brow. Just a little bit of a light highlighter. And it's gorgeous because it matches the cheek. One of my favorite lips, I use it all the time, and that is none other than the lip oil from NYX. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and it's called DME. It's such a lovely lip. Sometimes I will wear it without a pencil, and then sometimes I will wear it with a pencil, and none other than MAC Chestnut. And that's it. That's it. That is my look for the day. I don't wear lashes unless I am going to go out, and I might deepen the socket if I'm going out again. But basically, this is my day face. So let me know in the comment section what you think, okay? I hope you enjoyed it, and also let me know in the comment section if you would like for me to do more of these quick makeup tutorials. All of my love, my darlings, and I'll see you I'll see you sooner than later. Oh, before I go, I am an awardee. Yes, the Afro-European Gala Awards is commencing on the 4th of October. I cannot wait to see all of you there. And I will also be hosting the African Fashion Awards on the 25th of October. It's going to be fabulous, and you will see more makeup looks on the day, and I'll do a couple of lives there as well. Okay, take care. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and let me know what you liked. Yes, I do. Look, back up. Have you noticed that I refuse to give any of this away? It's always sold out. Always what? It's always sold out. So guys, what do I think about our slippery lime shampoo? Let me show you something. Let me show you something. And for the benefit of other shampoo products, I covered them. I had to do this test because I needed to prove a point, and I don't want to bring up any other product or brand. But these are other shampoos that I've had. Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to take them out one by one. Let me put my slippery slime here. I'm going to bring it out one by one, and I'm going to pour it out for you to see. Yeah? Look at the consistency. Look at the consistency. Okay. That is one. Look at the consistency of this one. Okay. Look at the consistency of this. Oh God. Look at the consistency of this. Look at the consistency of slippery slime shampoo by Healthy Hair Studio, created by a trichologist called ENITAN. It's a beast. It won't even. Just look. If you are asking me Fumi. A slippery lime shampoo. Healthy Hair Studio. Created by trichologist ENITAN. Is it FDV approved? It is absolutely FDV approved. It is absolutely FDV approved. Go right ahead and use my discount code Fumi and get.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.